In this video, I'll put you through on how to convert a picture illustration to video scenes. All right, that can be used by any video producing company. And we're going to do this through Higgsfield AI platform. The first step you need to take is to launch your web browser. As your browser opens, visit this website, higgsfield.ai. Once you're here, you will see sample of videos and images, okay? Different animations. So now we are interested in videos, okay? So take your cursor to the video, you will see a lot of options. You can generate image from here, all right? And also you can do what? Create videos with already generated images. Okay, maybe generate the image from another place and want to use it to do something else here, to turn into AI video. So here we are going to turn different pictures, okay, that describe different scenes to videos. So when you take your cursor to the video, you see some options. Select Kling 2.6. That is what I want us to use today. So once you select Kling 2.6, you'll be landed on this interface. And here, this is something I did the last time, so don't be confused. By the time we generate a new video, it will be here. It will replace this. Okay, this one will go down. So now, here it says upload or generate it. If you click on generate it, it will open a new tab whereby you generate the picture, which you will convert to video. But here, I want us to focus on this. We are going to add our picture, and from that our picture, we will generate a video scene. So I'll click on this picture icon, and the next step is to navigate to where the picture is on my PC. Look at it here. I'll click on this folder, and I'll double click here and select this. Okay, so I'll click on open. So now that is going to be added here, I will write my prompt here. Okay, so here I have my prompt. It states, a baby cartoon asking the mother a question while looking up to the mother's face, saying, Mommy, what are we eating this morning? Make the environment well decorated with the mother holding a cooking spoon. All right. This is the prompt that generated this image. And this is the prompt I want to use to animate it as well. All right. Even if it doesn't get something exactly, you can reprompt until you get it right. All right. So now that I've added my prompts, it's now left for me to take a look at the bottom here. Audio is going to be added. But if you don't want audio in your own case, please click on this button for it to be toggled off. You can see I've clicked on it and it has been toggled off. But let me enable it, please. Then model is Kling 2.6, as I said before. But maybe you don't want to use this 2.6. You click here, you see other models you can pick from. But I'm good with this Kling 2.6. Okay. Then duration is going to generate for 10 seconds. If you want a different duration, you click here and select maybe 5 seconds. All right, but let's leave it at 10. Aspect ratio, it detects it automatically based on the image you added. If this image is kind of vertical, maybe for TikTok videos, or maybe a movie scene that will be watched on mobile phone mainly, then it will dictate it and give you a result based on that. So the next step is to click on generate. This has come up with this video. As I said before, if you generate a new video, the one you generated before will go down. It's under here. So let's now play this to see if it gives us what we explained in this prompt.
Mummy, what are we eating this morning?
You
Hmm.
see, you see,
Mummy,
you see the beauty of this. This is so classic. For example, that you are creating a story, all right, a video story. Okay, now once you generate this, you can download it. Okay, and for you to download it, you click on this download icon. It will be saved into your PC. Okay, now after it is saved into your PC, you can see mine has been downloaded. After it is saved, maybe the next scene of this movie will be, okay, the mommy walked into the kitchen and picked a plate to make tea for the baby. Now you have to describe it. Then after, you have to have a prompt after you generated the image. You can go to this AI image and select image, create image, or a cinema studio image. I have a video I've done about this, so you will see it. Get to the description, we see part of it, how to generate an image that looks like this, that looks like this. So once you generate it, then you prompt again. At the end of the whole thing, you use your video editing software to join everything to make it a full video. So this is one scene, meaning that AI can do a lot for you. All right. If you click on these three dots, you see some other options. Maybe reuse. You want to reuse it, maybe to maintain the background to create another thing. Okay. And so many others. Okay. You have like you have share. Maybe want to share it to somewhere or want to publish directly on any platform. You still have downloads button. So with this, we have created this kind of scenario, this kind of scene. So let's discuss about another kind of scene. I'm going to upload an image here again. I will remove this one. I'll upload another image for us to see how this can generate another scene for us. So let me remove this one here and I'll scroll up and then let's pick another image here. Click on this, open. So as this is loading, I'm going to create my prompt that I will use to do what I want this illustration here, picture illustration to turn into. I have my prompt here. It's long because it's a kind of story. Okay. It's that kind of movie whereby you see a bit come into a community or let's say a street and then start destroying the skyscrapers, hitting cars, and a lot of things, and everybody is running. So, you know the language you want to use, you know how you want to present your story, and it will be converted to video for you. And let me read part of this. I say, a colossal creature emerges from the mist beyond the city limits. An ancient towering beast whose footsteps shake the ground like rolling thunder. As it enters the metropolis, glass towers tremble, car alarm erupts, the crowd scatter in panic. If you are creating your own prompt, you can stop it here. All right. But I was just more descriptive for the AI to still understand more about what I wanted to create. But these few lines, two, three lines are enough for it to know what to do. So once you're done writing your prompt, the next step you need to take is to click on generate. This AI model has come up with a video, all right, based on what I fed it with. So let's play and see how it sounds. Okay, you can see that this really captures this prompt. All right. In your own case, it may be a different idea that you have. Then after it generates it, the next step is to download it into your PC. So as it downloads, create a different scene again, bit by bit, following your storyline. At the end, you form a full video. If this content helps, consider subscribing. Here we cover a lot, including AI and information technology. So subscribe to learn more. Leave a comment in the comment section and hit the like button. Thank you and see you some other time.